Good morning, students. It's grammar time. You are on lesson 23, punctuation. Punctuation marks help us understand the meaning of sentence and write correctly. So, students, you have already learnt about the use of capital letter, question mark, exclamation mark, full stop, and a comma also. So, these all comes in punctuation. So, first of all, we will start from capital letters. So, capital letters, we use the capital letter when we begin a new sentence. So, whenever you write a sentence, you always write first letter capital. So, here one example is given, Charlie is playing cricket. So, here in Charlie, C is capital because Charlie word starts the sentence. And we also use capital letters when we write proper nouns. I told this also earlier also in common noun and proper noun chapter that the proper nouns are always written in capital. Example, I have visited New Delhi, Kolkata and Mumbai. You know the city word is common noun, but the name of the city, they are the proper noun. So here New Delhi, city name hai, Kolkata, Mumbai, these all are the proper nouns. So their first letter is written capital. New Delhi, new and D is capital. Kolkata, K capital and Mumbai, M capital. So if you write any proper noun in the sentence, then you write first letter capital. Now we come on the punctuation marks. Punctuation marks, full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, comma, apostrophe. These all are called the punctuation marks. So where to use full stop? You can see full stop comes at the end of a sentence. If any sentence ends, common sentence, simple sentence, then we use full stop like this. As in this example, I have a pet cat. Cat ends the sentence, so here full stop is marked. Question marks, already you know, whenever you write question, you mark the question mark also. So question mark comes at the end of a question. Example, do you have a cat? After cat, there is a question mark. So if the sentence asks question, then we mark question mark in the end of the sentence. Next, exclamation marks. Exclamation marks, as you have earlier learned in the interjection also. In interjection sentences, you have seen the exclamation mark. This type of mark is called the exclamation mark. So, exclamation mark comes at the end of an exclamation. If we feel the sudden feeling in a sentence, एकदम sudden feeling हो या strong feeling हो, then we use this type of mark, that is exclamation mark. So here you can see example, we won the match. So here happiness is shows we won the match. So that's why here exclamation mark is used. Comma. Comma helps to separate items in a list. If there is a list given in a sentence, so comma helps to separate items in a list as Shilpi, Priya, Rani. These are the students' name and names list is given. So to separate them, comma is used. Shilpi, Priya and Rani are in class 3. So whenever the comma is marked in reading, we give a short pause. Shilpi, Priya and Rani are in class 3. Apostrophe. Apostrophe tells us that someone owns something. If something belongs to someone, then we use apostrophe there to show that the ownership. As example, you can see father's car. So father is the owner of the car. So in father, apostrophe S is used. Saswati's doll. Saswati is the owner of the doll. So that's why in Saswati's apostrophe S is used. So apostrophe also comes in punctuation marks. So in this way, full stop, question mark and exclamation mark come at the end of a sentence. So they are also called end punctuation. So in this way, using of capital letters in a sentence at a proper place and using punctuation marks, These all comes in punctuation. Okay. Now students, in the next video you will learn, you will do the exercise given in your book. Okay.